TENS unit technology has been used by professionals all over the world to treat conditions such as pain and nerve damage. Today, anyone can have their own TENS unit and treat themselves at their convenience. We consider quality, features, and value when narrowing down the best choices possible, and bring you our list of the top 5 best TENS machines available now. Number 5. TENS 7000 2nd Edition Digital TENS Unit with Accessories. Starting off, we have the TENS 7000 2nd Edition. We found this to be an easy-to-use and very capable TENS machine. With this great entry-level item, you simply connect the supplied device with the lead wires and electrodes, place the electrodes on your skin, and you're ready to start. We like that this TENS machine comes with multiple therapy modes: normal, burst, modulation, strength duration 1, and strength duration 2. It's not as versatile as others higher on the list, but it's a good overall value. With over 1 million of these units already sold, it is a very popular option for casual use. Number 4. HealthmateForever YK15AB TENS Unit. Another long-time best-selling device is the HealthmateForever TENS Unit. It includes 4 outputs with independent intensity controls and 15 different modes. This, and the included adjustable speed option, allows you to dial in the most effective pain relief experience depending on your needs. The belt clip is another nice touch for easy on-the-go therapy. The battery life is also great for travel. This is another amazing value option that's great for typical use. If you're curious about TENS technology, you can't go wrong with this machine. Number 3. Ohuhu Muscle Pain TENS Unit. The Ohuhu Muscle Pain TENS Unit is another incredible value option. If you need pain relief, this machine can act as a muscle massager, provide carpal tunnel relief, and is great for muscle recovery. A powerful unit that's been designed with optimal safety and performance in mind. It's sure to have the treatment option you need with 16 pre-programmed modes, including knocking, acupuncture, abdominal, brain, feet, ear, kneading, shiatsu, vibration, and rubbing. With a bright screen, automatic sleep timer, and an excellent battery life, it proves to be a very good TENS machine. Number 2. Easy at Home Professional Grade TENS Unit. With the Easy at Home Professional Grade TENS Unit, you get the same kind of therapy used by doctors and physical therapists without a prescription. We love how easy this device is to use, despite its professional quality. It features a premium design with professional-grade pulse technology, which makes it suitable not only for pain relief and muscle relaxation, but also advanced muscle recovery and pain management. This machine has 20 power levels, 5 automated massage program options, and 3 traditional massage options. The 1-year warranty on this versatile and powerful personal TENS unit is also great for peace of mind and pure reliability. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products in the market. Number 1. Compex Wireless USA 2.0 Muscle Stimulator with TENS Bundle Kit. If you need prescription-grade pain relief, the Compex Wireless USA 2.0 Muscle Stimulator is the perfect choice. This is a machine for the highest level of pain relief and muscle recovery. The 10 programs cover all your needs, and there are even resistance, strength, and explosive strength programs to aid in muscle development. The programs are designed to activate fast-twitch Type 2 muscle fibers. These fibers help generate more power on demand. A reliable machine with options for pain relief, recovery, and muscle stimulation, this TENS machine has everything you could need. It can be hard to find the perfect TENS machine, which is why we are only interested in the best units available for your needs. Whether you're looking for value, convenience, or features, this list has an option for you. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of these items, and remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion.